47.
New day, new problems. Oh God, I need to take a smoke. Lark.
What?
I need to tell something, but it's going to be hard.
Okay. Tell me.
Clark is gay.
What?
Clark is gay. Come on, I'm going to show you.
Stop joking around, Svetlana.
It's not funny. Look, I'm serious. Sorry, I didn't invite you. I forgot you.
Yeah, that's cool.
You're funny. Your hair is so wrong, dude. You need some hairspray.
Come on! Fuck this game! Come on! Marion!
What did you say?
I didn't say it was game. Sorry, Grandma, I didn't mean it!
No problem, Simon. It wasn't your fault. Here's your tea.
Thank you, Grandma.
It's very hot.
My tongue! My tongue! My tongue!
So here, take it easy.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
Grandma! Oh! Oh, do you fall, Grandma?
Simon.
Oh, Tom! It's so hot.
You had drunk a lot of tea, Simon. Don't you need to go to the bathroom?
I'm going to pocket. Yes, I did drink a lot. So, I'm not.
Where is it, Simon?
Don't go away or go to sleep because after I have peace, you need to join me.
Okay.
Bye. From the pool.
What's happening?
Simon, you don't need to be gay.
Got on board a westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do.